Welcome back to Saas Pulse. Today we're going to be reviewing a wonderful tool called WonderAI. This tool is perfect for any e-commerce store owners who would like to automate your print on demand with AI. This tool simply allows you to take different products as far as accessories, phones, shoes, children's, women's clothing, kids, hoodies, travel, yoga, kitchen, stationery, among sneakers as well. They have a lot of products that they're able to print on demand through AI. So the process is very simple. You enter a prompt, let AI design the design onto your product. It'll also help you create a description for that design, and then it'll publish it directly to your print on demand provider. Currently, they do have a connection with Printify, which we'll be showing you today. Currently, they do say they are the #1 tool for automated print on demand, which I have used, and it is a fantastic tool. So you can automate your product designs at scale with AI, automate your social media posts at scale with AI, automate listings on Marketplace at scale with AI, pardon me. As well as they do have customer highlights of the week, which you could see here, as well as you could see where the store is and who the store is. They do have a few product lines within their main product. They do have the Wonder Flow, which is the basic sequencing platform. They have the Wonder apps, where you could choose from the different apps you want to use to automate. You have the Wonder U, it's the university where you could learn all the different tricks and tips on how to use the platform and automate your print-on-demand business. And then they have the Wonder Magic Tools as well. They also have hundreds of templates to choose from and edit with a single prompt. And if we go down, they also have thousands of merchants who have already joined their platform and seen success. You could automate your print-on-demand store with AI. And then let me see if there's anything down here. Nope. Let's go back to the top, as they have a few things on top. They have a featured section, so we'll click on there. This will allow you to automate your entire print-on-demand store with the power of AI. So as mentioned before, you could do product designs, you could do title automations, description automations, mock-up automations, compliance automations, social automations, as well as marketplace. Some of their basic and premier apps that they connect with that's powered through AI is, of course, the DALL-E through OpenAI. You also have mid-journey prompts. You could connect through Facebook ads, YouTube captions, website H1 headers, video scripts, use cases, Twitter ads, SEO keywords, TikTok ideas, tweets, review response, sales pitch, promotion generator, product description, press release, podcast ideas, meta descriptions, meta titles, podcast episodes, marketing strategies, LinkedIn, marketing emails, job descriptions, follow-up emails, Google Ads, IG captions, Facebook posts, bonus ideas, email replies, ebook outlines, support agents as well. They also have backlink strategy, and brand names. Get a unique and creative brand name generated. So that would be through their featured section. If we would go into their integrations, this will probably take a second to upload. Here we go. So automate your entire print-on-demand store with the power of AI. They do connect with WonderAI. WonderAI is a hub for AI services, providing diverse AI models for various applications. Currently, their Amazon is down, so I guess they are currently working on reestablishing that connection. As mentioned before, Facebook, Instagram, you have your OpenAI, you have your Shopify, Etsy, Google Shopping, Shop app, Printify, and ClipDrop. ClipDrop is a image resizing tool, so we'll get into that. And then if we get back to the top, we have this is their pricing. So for $9 a month, you get 100 automations per month, 10 basic products, Wonderflow platform, basic apps, and premium Shopify themes. For $20, $29.99 a month or $29 a month, you're going to get 1,000 automations per month, as well as you'll get the premium products. You'll also get the Wonderflow platform. You'll get the Wonder apps and the premium Shopify themes. For $10 more at $39 a month, you are going to get 10,000 automations per month, all premium products, Wonderflow platform, Wonder apps, as well as premium Shopify themes. If you go down below, you do have a pricing overview for each of the plans. Of course, choose which plan is best for your need. And then this, as far as the company, they do have an affiliate, they do have a Discord, it's about us, blog, and they do have a roadmap. Let's take a look at the roadmap. Here we go. Here's their roadmap. So currently it looks like they are integrating with a lot of different platforms. They are currently in the progress of connecting with Leonardo, Launchcart, which if you've seen my previous video, I did a full review on Launchcart, so that's wonderful. Printful, Ideogram, Prodigy, coming soon, Redbubble, TeePublic, Fourth Wall, Subliful, Spod. So you can see that there's a lot. They also have GrooveCart. I've used that platform before, and Apicule. So you can see that there are a lot of other integrations coming to Wonder AI. So if you are planning on using this, you could see they are constantly updating it and improving their platform. If we were to go back to the main homepage, we've gone through this. Now let's get into the actual dashboard. Once you log into your WonderAI, right on the dashboard, you could see it's very clean. To the main window, you have your account set up, which is required. Then below, you have your API key for Printify and OpenAI, as well as navigating the Wonder Magic tool, installing workflow automations for DALL-E, installing workflow automations for Midjourney, and automating your first 1,000 products. Next, you have your Wonder tutorials. Your Wonder tutorials are the entire library that you would need to start to automate your print-on-demand designs, as well as creating your Shopify account, as well as creating your ClipDrop account. This will help you upscale any images you create through your AI, as well as automating any products with existing workflows. You'll be able to learn how to edit product designs, title, descriptions, pricing, and variants, how to create a custom automation workflow, deep dive into error handling. This is very good to have, as well as how to automatically upscale your images, which I think they'll go right back to here to show you how to do that. Next is going to be how to set up your store details for Shopify. This is as well as for Shopify, and then your fulfillment automation for Printify. Next will be your automated pre-designs, and then this is going to be your automated for your social media posts, and then how to connect Instagram and Facebook, how to connect Google Apps, and how to add and adjust your logos. Underneath that, you do have your Wonder engine, which we'll get into that in a few. Underneath that, you're going to have all your workflows. Your basic workflows are going to be for simple designs for t-shirts, backpacks, sneakers, puzzles, canvases, and frame posters, as well as for duffels with and without logos, hoodies, and backpacks. So that is going to come with the basic subscription. Any subscription that is purchased beyond that, you're going to get access to the premium apps. So with that, you're going to get, let me go back. You're going to get your premium workflows, actually. So over there, you'll also be able to do your t-shirts, front designs, as well as jean jackets, tote bags, large horizontal canvases, large vertical canvases, all your t-shirts, front, back designs with logo. You have your unisex zip-up hoodie. You also have race back dresses, your pencil skirts. You have your long sleeve shirts. You have your crop tops, another crop top. You have another full design t-shirt, socks, pillows, sports bras, fisherman's bucket hat. You're going to have your frame posters, your phone cases. You could also create cutout stickers, which is amazing if you want to promote your brand through stickers, as well as bean bags. You're going to have tumblers, more tumblers, a little skinnier. You're going to have your weekender bags. You're going to have your tote bags. You also get spiral notebooks, more tote bags. You're going to get a thin warm-up hoodie. You also get a men's sports warm-up hoodie. Then you get your unisex pullover hoodie. You get your round rugs for like area rugs. If you want to get a can sleeve that's cooler, as well as pajamas. And then you get to go into your pre-made designs that you have, and you could use your Google for that. Then you also have other t-shirts, duffel bags, wall clocks, pullover, hoodies, t-shirts, more long sleeve shirts, more hoodies with pockets in them, backpacks. You also have your shorts. And then if we continue down, you have your pet hoodies if you want to create a store that's based for pet only, stainless steel travel mug, social media automation. You get your pillow for square pillows. You get slides, low top sneakers, puzzles, yoga mats, cups. These are multifunctional diaper bags, mesh sneakers, as well as microfiber duvet covers. You get house indoor slippers, journals. I think this was recently added. They didn't have this about a month ago. Then you have your canvases, you have your yoga pants, you have your fanny packs, your gym duffel bags, another gym duffel bag. You have your hat with the image in the center, another hoodie. This is without the pocket. You also have crew socks. You have your car seats. You have your area rugs over here. You have your backpacks, your basketball shorts, your athletic long shorts, as well as if you want to make designs for your Apple band. So you could see there are a lot of designs that are pre-made and ready to go, which you would just simply need to add a prompt and start designing for your e-commerce store. Next, under the Wonder, this is going to be all your social media. So as mentioned before, this is your social media. Underneath that, you're going to have all your apps. You're going to have your basic apps, which is going to be for DALL-E, Midjourney, Facebook, product description, brand names. And this is going to help you generate a brand name if you don't have a name for your brand yet. Next, you have your premium apps. Let's see what's here that's different. Any AL, get catchy headlines for your websites and homepage. Arlo AI, Axel AI, which is find use cases for your products. Bireo AI, add tweets. SEO for DAX AI, Echo AI for TikTok ideas. So you could see that they go above and beyond just simply print on demand. They make sure that they have the tools in place to ensure that your business succeeds with all these different apps. Let's see what else is here. Get creative promotional Instagram captions, generate Google ad titles and descriptions, write an email to follow up about something, Lumi, get an on-brand promotional Facebook post, Mira, get fresh ideas and reward your employees. Okay, so yeah, so these are gonna all be all your premium apps that come with WonderAI. And then down here under your Wonder themes, these are going to be your current Shopify themes that you get. So you get, this is what your store image is going to look like when someone logs on. It's as simple as clicking here and installing it. Your next theme is going to be the Sensify, which is going to look like that. And then the final one is going to be like that. So they do have differences in the themes based on if you want to sell products, posters or large scale images. Then below that, you're going to have your recent, this is going to be recent results from WonderAI app. So this is what's going to show. And then these are going to be your operations. So if you want to purchase any additional operations per month, you could actually buy extra operations as well, which is great. So if you're on the first tier plan, you could come in and buy more operations for your AI automation, as well as you do have all your plans over here. Down below, you have support. So if you need to get in contact with support, they're there. And if I go back, this is going to be your settings. All your information is going to be here, your profile, security, plan, and then your log out. And then below that is going to be, let me see, once again, support and log out. So there you go. So let's get into the actual Wonder AI engine where everything comes together. Now we are inside the Wonder AI sequencing engine. There are a few options you do have down the left panel. We won't go into each and every one, but for today, we will be concentrating on the scenarios. But to go over really quickly, you have your organizations, you have your teams, you have your scenarios, which we'll get into. You have your templates, your connections, your webhooks, your keys, your devices, your data stores, as well as your data structures. Underneath, you have your notifications and your custom apps as well. Let's get into the scenario. Scenario is where you will find all your automations for your print-on-demand needs. As you can see, I do have a few scenarios which I have created. However, for today's review, we're going to be concentrating on the short sleeve tee. For the short sleeve tee, there are a few automations that need to be completed before it does send it over to Printify. The first step would be to go in and to add your OpenAI API key. And it's simple as clicking here, add here, and then you would just copy it into the area over here. After that, you'll be choosing the OpenAI model, which will be the DALL-E 3 for creating images. Thereafter, you'll be adding your prompt, your size, the quality, as well as the style, and then finally the response format. Usually, this will already be completed for you, and all you would need to add is your OpenAI key and then your prompt. WonderAI has taken care of the rest for you and setting everything up. Next, we'll be going into adding your OpenAI key in the second step, as well as over here would be creating your message for the title and for the most likely for the title of the actual print-on-demand product. As you could see here, you do have your GPT-4 model. However, you could choose from pretty much all of the GPT-4 models. They do have the most current one, which is GPT-4o. Then beyond that, underneath, you would go, and this would be your message. You are a world-class copywriter for an e-commerce company. As well, then you would create your actual content, which would be the title for your print on demand. You have your max tokens before it times out in 30 tokens. Then the next step would be to go into your third AI sequence. And you once again, as you followed the first two, you would add your OpenAI key, API key here. You would then select the method, which is the chat. You would choose the model you want to use, which I like to use this one for now. And then you have your assistant, and then you would also, once again, you would add your prompt for the description. Then you would go in here, and then you would create the message content. Once again, These things will be completed for you. All you would need to go in and tweak them a little bit to fit your product and to fit your design. Then you have the max token here of 200. I wouldn't change this. This is how it came. You should just leave it as that. The fourth aspect would go into the click drop. Click drop, as mentioned before, is a scaling, image scaling, as well as a few design aspects that you could do with click drop. However, I use it to upscale my image once the print on demand has been created and before it sends it to Printify. So there are a few options you have, but the most notably options you do want to concentrate on are the two target image height and width. This will max it out at 4096 pixel by 4096 pixel. This will give you an optimal image size for print on demand to ensure that your image comes out crisp and looking fantastic. The next aspect would be the Printify. This is where you would go in, you would connect your Printify API key here just by simply adding it here. And then what you would do is this would pretty much just give you the basic of where it's mapping in from OpenAI into Printify. Then the next one, once again, you would be adding your Printify connection here by adding here. And then over here, you add your shop ID. So depending on how many shops you have through your Printify store, you could have multiple ones. So as you can see here, once it loads, I have one, the Swaggy Yogi, and then I have the Conscious Ego as well. But for today, we'll be using the Swaggy Yogi. And then over here, you get to see the blueprint of what type of item it is. So it's the unisex jersey short sleeve tee, and it's the Bella Canvas t-shirt over here. Then we will go into your variant. So you could have your variant small, and then you could change the price here to be whatever price you want it to be for your brand. So you can see you have small, medium, large, extra large, 2X. And then, yep, so that would be for that. And then you would also see over here the price. You could change that to $29.99, $29.99. Let's see, where else do I have to change that? I would change that real quick and then change that. And then there you go. And then I would just click OK, and that would update it. Our final step is going to be adding it to your Printify store. Once again, you come here and you add your API key, choose the shop you want. You have your title, description, you have your images, your variants, and your tags as well. So now if we were going to run this, you would begin to see the scenario run. Now it's creating a DALL-E 3 image based on the prompt that I provided. Next is the title, the description. You'll see now it is being upscaled to make sure it's creating that 496 by 496. And there you go. The image is created. And the way we know that the image is created is if we go into the Printify or your Printify store, once you create this image, you would see I created an image over here. It's the Isabella. But now if we were to refresh it, you would see there is now a second Isabella here as well. So if we were to click on it, you would see that this is the new image, and then here is the color black. So you would see that it is in black. You would see some of the different variants, which is really cool, as well as in this pinkish color as well. And then if we can't see the image there, you could just go here and click on My Files. And this would be the new image created. If you would like to get this tool, the link will be inside the description, as well as if you found this review to be helpful, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned for our next review.